Hello guys and welcome back to AppWiz. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make viral thumbnails for YouTube or any platform in high quality. And the best part is, it only takes about 1 minute to create a professional, eye-catching thumbnail that can increase your clicks and views. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. In the search bar, ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for a football thumbnail of CR7. You can specify things like action pose, stadium background, or glowing effects to make it look more dynamic. ChatGPT will instantly give you a detailed prompt that you can use to create your thumbnail. Once the prompt is ready, copy it, and then open the Gemini app, which you can download from the App Store or Play Store. When you open Gemini, tap on Create Image, paste the prompt, and it will start generating your thumbnail automatically. Within seconds, you'll have a high-quality, professional-looking thumbnail ready to use. This method is super fast and easy, and it works for any type of thumbnail, whether it's gaming, tech, football, or tutorials. In just 1 minute, you can make thumbnails that look like they were designed by a professional. That's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome tips and tricks.